Hi, so we're going to be making today the moon, and this story that we're making this moon out of from is Goodnight Moon. So we're going to make our own moon doing it in a paper mache method. Cut paper, dip it in glue, and add some water to your glue. You could also use flour and water too to make it, but we're using glue for the time that we're in right now. We know that food is not something that we want to waste, so you have some glue at home. This is a great way to do a arts and craft activity with your preschooler. Great activity. So I'm just dipping the paper in the bowl of glue and water so we could do our activity. There we go. So this is going to take a little while. It doesn't have to be one at a time. You could dip a few in, and there's already some running around. The liquid is running over the balloon, so it's just kind of sticky where it is. There you go. So once we're done with this activity and the balloon is complete, you're going to make sure that you put it to dry, and it has to be hanged dry. It cannot leave flat, because wherever you put it, whatever surface you laid on, it will stick on it. So we want to have to tie it here by the end this way, and then that, find somewhere where we can hang it. Put some piece of cloth or just have some newspaper on the floor so all the drippings will go there. So here we go. I'm just going to continue to do this. And it doesn't have to lay perfectly at all. It's a really fun activity for children to do, and for adults too. You want something to relax you, and some arts and craft. You can also paint. Once you're done, it can be painted in whatever color you want to paint it. Okay. So for the sake of time, we are going to show you what the end result will be, and this will be the end result. This will be what it looks like when you're done and it's dry. Okay, and then I put some lights inside so that we have the reflection of the light inside. This is the string that I use, and just any yarns you can use. And if you don't find this light that I have, there are also some lights. They're really tiny, and you just put it inside. Children could have it in their own room, and it's something that they have made, and it's very safe to use. It's used with battery, so it's nothing that's gonna cause a fire or anything like that. And so this is the final product of the paper mache. Just reading the book to the story to the children, and having an activity for them to do that connects with it. This is the moon, and the light inside is reflecting the moon. All right, you guys, thank you. I hope you had fun, and I hope you enjoyed this activity. I'll see you again next time. Bye.